Going viral is the dream of every content creator. But what does it take to make a video that people can't stop watching? Here are a few tips to help you make your video go viral. Make great content. This is probably the most important thing you can do. If your video is not good, people won't watch it and it won't go viral. Choose a relevant topic. People are more likely to watch a video if it's about something they're interested in. So choose a topic that is relevant to your audience and that they will care about. Create a catchy title and thumbnail. The title and thumbnail are the first thing people see when they're browsing through YouTube. So it's important to make sure they are eye-catching and will make people want to click on your video. Promote your video on social media. Don't just rely on YouTube to promote your video. Share it on social media and encourage your friends and followers to watch it. Be patient. It takes time to make a video go viral. Don't expect to get millions of views overnight. Just keep creating great content, and eventually your video will find its audience.